Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how you can add page number to your pages in Word. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you would need to have your Word open up, and let's say you have two pages, right? And you want to number each of the pages. So what you would do is this is the home tab. You would need to go to the insert tab, and then at the bottom of the insert tab you need to look for page number. Click on page number, click on page number option. It would ask you to either you want to put the page number at the bottom of the page or at the top of the page. Let's say I want to put my page number at the top of the page. So when I click on OK, it should show me the page number for the pages. So this should be 1, this should be 2, and then every time you insert a page break or every time you create a new page, the page number will automatically be updated. So that is how you can add page number to your pages. Thank you.